To deposit or withdraw funds from the account on the platform, there is a deposit and withdrawal widget. It contains 4 tabs. Let's look at the first one. Here we can transfer funds through ACH transfers, check requests, and wire transfers. To make a transfer, select ACH deposit. If we want to top up the account, we enter the amount and choose the bank account to which we want to transfer the funds. After that, we make a request, and we see that our request is under review. We can check the status of our transfer in the Pending Historical Transfers tab. Here we see that our transfer has already been processed and the account has been credited with $1,000. We also see that we have a withdrawal request and we can cancel it. Enter the reason and this transfer will be canceled. You also have the ability to manage your bank accounts. We can cancel this bank account, remove this link, and create a new one. To do this, we need to click the Plaid button and then go through the bank connection process. Let's choose Citibank and authenticate in the bank's system. We need to select a bank account, then confirm and link the bank account to the platform account. The process takes just a few seconds. Now the bank account is linked in the system and we can choose it for transfers. The system also supports scheduled transfers, including one-time transfers. For example, we can choose the date to execute the transfer, as well as set up regular transfers like daily, weekly, and monthly, and so on. This means we can arrange for the account to be topped up once a week. Additionally, there is an option to withdraw funds via checks or wire transfers, including both domestic and international wires. Let's now move to the Scheduled Transfers tab. Here we can see all our scheduled transfers. To see how it works, we will create a scheduled transfer for the 15th. We will select our bank connection and we see the confirmation. Now we can see when it was created, this scheduled payment, and when it is due to be executed soon. That's basically it. See you in the next video.